Hello children, welcome back to SS class. We are doing chapter number 2 of history part 2. East India Company begins trade in Bengal. First English factory set up on the bank of river Hooghly in 1651. Soon trade expanded. The company made its warehouse. Warehouse means storeroom where goods for export were stored. Company also made offices. The company convinced merchants and traders to come and settle near the factory. But in 1696 the company built fort around the settlement. The company decided to settle in Bengal. 2 years later, it also bribed Mughal officers to get Diwani rights. Diwani rights means right to collect revenue. So these company officers got the Diwani rights of 3 villages. One of these villages was Calicut, which later grew into the city of Calcutta. Now it is called Kolkata. East India Company convinced of Farman means royal order. It is also written permission. So this issue granting the company the right to trade duty free. Duty means tax. So the company the right to trade tax free, and the official of the company who were carrying on private trade were expected to pay the taxes, but they refused to pay, which angered the Nawab of Bengal, Murshid Quli Khan. Trade led to battles. After the death of Aurangzeb, the Bengal Nawab Murshid Quli Khan and his successors Alivardi Khan and Siraj-ud-Dowla refused to grant concession to the company. Nawab accused means charged the company of deceit. Deceit means fraud and attempt to humiliate him through disrespectful letters. On the other hand, the company declared that the unjust demand of the local officials were ruining their trade, and they demanded duty-free trade. The rivalry means competitions between company and Nawab intensified. Intensified means increase. Now they decided how to control over the company. So Alivardi Khan died in 1756 and Siraj-ud-Dowla became the Nawab of Bengal. Siraj-ud-Dowla ordered Britishers to pay revenue and stop fortification. He also asked company to stop interference in the political affairs. After negotiations means a formal discussions between people in order to find solution. So after this talk, when this type of talk was failed, Siraj-ud-Dowla captured the English factory and officers at Qasim Bazar and established control over Calcutta's fort. So what has happened there? Battle of Plassey. Because of Siraj-ud-Dowla's action, East India Company angered Robert Clive, who was the commander of company, led the company's army against Siraj-ud-Dowla at Plassey. Robert Clive managed to secure the support of Mir Jafar. Mir Jafar was the one of the commanders of Siraj-ud-Dowla. He did not fight the battle against the East India Company. Robert defeated Siraj-ud-Dowla with the help of Mir Jafar. This was the company's first major victory in a battle in India. So children, rest part of this chapter we will discuss in next. Have a nice day.